Alright, let's talk about how to use trigonometry to find lengths of sides and of, what do you call these? Right triangles. Boom, let's do it. Alright, so on this triangle, number 4, we've got our angle here, and we want to find the opposite side. This is the opposite side, and we're given the hypotenuse. So a good thing to remember is SOHCAHTOA. So you can remember that sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent side over hypotenuse, and the tangent is the opposite side over the adjacent side. So this is the angle that we're dealing with, and I have the opposite side and the hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse is sine. So the sine of 33 degrees is equal to the opposite side over the hypotenuse. So x over 14. And then to solve for x, I would just multiply both sides by 14. So then I get 14 times the sine of 33 degrees is equal to x. So now I need to put this in my calculator. My angle here is measured in degrees, so I want to make sure my calculator is in degree mode. Right here it says radian, which means I need to change that to degrees. I'm going to hit mode. Different calculators have different ways of doing this. Some have a DRG button. Put that on degree, hit enter, and now I'm in degree mode. And so then I'm just going to put in 14 sine of 33, and it knows that's multiplication. 7.624. Does that make sense? 14 is the length of the hypotenuse, and that is definitely shorter, so about 7.6 looks reasonable. So x is approximately equal to 7.6. Now on number 5, I have my angle of 37, and I have x as the adjacent side, and 14 is the hypotenuse. So adjacent and hypotenuse is cosine. So that means cosine of 37 degrees equals adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent is x, hypotenuse is 14, and then I'm going to multiply both sides by 14 to get x by itself. X is 14 times cosine of 37. And I'm going to ask my calculator what that is. I'm still in degree mode, so that's good. 14 times cosine of 37 is about 11.2. And that makes sense too. This hypotenuse is 14. A long leg needs to be shorter than 14. And 11.2 looks pretty good to me. So x is approximately equal to 11.2. Holler at me if you have any more questions about that one.